Hi, welcome. You don't need to be a prompt engineer to edit any slide the way you want. So open any presentation and select the slide you want to change something. Let's say I want to change this slide and click to edit with AI button right here. And just write whatever you have in your mind. For example, I want more detailed information in this slide. And Decktopus interprets what you mean, improves your prompt, and show you the change before you apply it. For example, I just said I want to more detailed information in this slide, and Decktopus said you will add more detailed information to this slide. Expand the slide content for the Great Pyramid of Giza with more detailed information. And that's what I exactly wanted. So I just say apply changes. It's also show how much credit it will consume with editing this slide. And if that's not what you want, you can just cancel it. But this is exactly what I want. So I just say and click apply changes. And Decktopus is making its magic. And that's it. Your slide exactly how you wanted it. So I'm just checking and it's pretty good and exactly what I wanted. But let's say that's not what you wanted. So you can just change it, like hit undo and it just go back to the slide you first started with. Also, you can see the version history from here. You can just see both of the slides before and after and change whatever you want. And I want this slide and I'm just gonna say restore this version. That's it. Link in the caption. What are you waiting for?